Politics is about people and about power. And so it makes me sad when I hear someone say, I don't care about politics, because what they're essentially saying is, do whatever you want to me because I feel powerless. I don't think it matters. I will let people do whatever they want to me. And honestly, you don't have to have that perspective. You don't have to feel powerless. You don't have to feel a victim. The thing about politics and people and power is when you connect and collaborate and cooperate with other people who also care, you can fight off apathy. Apathy, it's like a sickness in the pit of your stomach because you know that something is wrong, but you don't know what to do about it. Right now, the U.S. is sending $17 billion to a foreign land to unalive children when we could be using that money here. That's something that I deeply care about and think is very important. So I'm calling my representatives in Congress. I'm boycotting. I'm contacting companies. I'm making prayers. I'm making videos. I'm doing what I'm able to do. And I'm also connecting with others, informing myself, finding out what I can do. Organizing, if you will. If all of this is new to you and you're moving from I'm not political to the first step, look, you don't have to call if that's too much out of your comfort zone. Send an email, tag them on social media, make a post, make a donation, say a prayer. Speak to someone who is more involved and engaged than you and ask, hey, how can I start doing this? I'm really uncomfortable. Every time you start something new, it's going to feel uncomfortable. But if you take just 2 minutes a day to make a phone call or send an email, it adds up over time. It makes a difference over time. Boycotting does not take that much extra time or energy, could quite easily save you money also, and it really impacts the companies who are directly seeing the results of your action. So it's one of the best ways to impact things. And lastly, I'll say, again, with this whole thing of politics and people and power, I want you to remember the more that you can have community, the more that you can collaborate and connect with others, the less you will feel alone. It's very easy to feel apathetic and alone when you kind of are acting alone. But I have people that I connect with on a regular basis who make me feel like I'm not alone. I follow other creators who are doing things and inspiring me. So stay engaged in community and it will allow you to grow.